Tomorrow I'm going for my first retightening. Tomorrow I'm going for my first retightening appointment. And of course, before I can do that, I need to make sure that my hair is cleansed. So tonight I'm going to wash my hair. I'm showing you some things I've done with my hair in my last couple of videos. You've seen me take my hair down after banding, but you haven't seen how I exactly band my hair. So that's what I'm going to demonstrate right now. So I take my hair, and I'm going to put a braid or a plait in it. Leave enough room at the roots for your fingers to get underneath to cleanse your scalp. Then I do my braid. Get to a certain point, I stop. Take one of these little bands, ponytail holders. I just make my way down my braid a little bit. Flip my hair up and under. And it's been banded. Have one more to do. Band it. I'm done. So now I'm going to get in the shower and I'm going to wash my hair. I'll take this out in the morning. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like, comment. Come along with me on this Sisterloc journey.